Hello, this is my homework. Dear mom and dad, I love you. I love you so much. I love you with all my heart. This letter to you is to tell you my true feeling from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for bringing me up. Thank you so much for raising me. I know how hard you worked during the past years. I can imagine how many difficulties and conflicts you confront. I can imagine all the problems you have faced and all the sweat and tears you have spent to make my life better. I can thoroughly understand what a host responsibility it is to raise a child. You will be very happy with me.